Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can unfollow everyone on Threads. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow all the steps properly. First of all, open up your Threads application on your device and make sure you are logged in. Now once you are logged in, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner and tap on followers list present right below your bio. Here all of your followers following are pending and pending requests will be present. You can follow any of your friends by simply going over to see all section. Now to unfollow everyone, you'll need to do it manually one by one, as there is no dedicated option to do it at once. Select the account you want to unfollow and tap on the follow button, and you can cancel all of your requests in one go by tapping on the cancel all button, but there is no such option in the following tab. And that's how you can unfollow everyone on Threads. So that's all for today's video guys. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.